Chiou and welcome to TEL2 Go. This is a 3-episode series where we'll be giving you an exclusive preview into the Thomson-East Coast Line 2 stations before they're open to the public on the 28th of August. The Thomson-East Coast Line is Singapore's 6th MRT line, adding 32 new stations to our existing rail network and will be open progressively in 5 phases. I'm currently at Woodlands North Station, one of the 3 TEL1 stations opened in January last year. 6 more stations spanning 13 km will be opening in the second phase, comprising of stations Springleaf, Lentor, Mayflower, Bright Hill, Upper Thomson and Caldecott stations, expanding our network and providing alternative travel routes. In this episode, we'll be taking a sneak peek at stations Springleaf and Lentor and explore interesting places nearby. So let's head on down to Springleaf to meet up with 2 of my friends and start exploring! Let's go! Okay, the train is here. Let's go. We are here at Springleaf. Wow! It's so green. The green background matches my outfit, Oh, so Springleaf, it's the first station all the way until Caldecott, and it is so spacious. Look at the high ceilings and the really long escalators. I see my friend! Hello!
You're finally here!
Hey, what you mean my family? I only took 10 minutes to come here, you know?
It's quite true. Actually, I was telling my friend here, we could have taken a nap while waiting for you, but then quite fast you reached.
Yeah, I couldn't even take a nap on the MRT. Anyway, guys, this is Fauzie and he will be here with us on this episode. And beside him, Fauzie, can you introduce him?
Yes, I'm going to introduce. This is Heng Tak. He plays a very important role in the construction of this Springleaf station. Heng Tak, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi. My name is Heng Tak. I'm the Deputy Project Manager for Springleaf Station. We oversee the whole construction of our station, all the way construction till the end of the project. So as a team, we target for the timely completion of our project as well as to ensure the quality and safety is met.
Wow, your job sounds very exciting, Heng Tak. Can you tell us more about this station?
Okay, part of the materials that we use are actually considered green material. In other words, they are environmental friendly materials. Some materials like low VOCs paints, low volatile organic compound paints that emit lesser air pollutants, or some of the materials like the sanitary fitting and our washrooms, which are actually under WELS labels, more water-saving features,
Wow!
or as well as those cladding or ceilings that we use, right? You cannot see, but actually they have Green Label certified, as well as it's considered as sustainable materials.
In this station, I think I can breathe in fresh air already.
I think that's me because I just farted. It was so green, Mark.
Natural!
So actually this station is really green, like eco-wise and also visually, right?
Yeah.
Is this green an intentional one? Like, can you explain more about the artwork?
Sure. This is the art in transit for Springleaf Station. The name of the artwork is Trees of Memories, with the tree as the main anchor itself, along with the artifacts and objects surrounding it. It is taken and inspired from the nearby shophouses, as well as the lush greeneries around Springleaf Station. We hope that this creative combination will create an element of fantasies when passengers or visitors alike to our station.
I think green essentially is a very calming colour.
Yeah.
So imagine after a long day of work, right? You come home to this green, you feel a lot better.
Yeah, but after a long day of work also, right, you feel hungry also. So now
I think you always hungry one
I'm not growing up, boy, I'm sorry.
You growing up 20 years ago, is it?
So, okay, Heng Tak, is there any place that you can suggest here around this?
I can be your tour guide.
Alright, man.
Okay, let's go. Wow. Hey, actually, Heng Tak, the signages look very different from the normal MRTs.
Yep, you're right. Actually, the revamped signages along TEL line greater in contrast to help for commuters, groups such as seniors, for better wayfinding. As you can see, it is clearer from afar.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's true, seriously.
But the most important question, where to find the makan places?
Okay. So for the makan place, from entrance to, some of the good food will be the famous Springleaf prata,
That one.
Springleaf prata!
You see, you hit the spot.
the famous first outlet of Hans here,
Oh.
as well as if you go from entrance 1, you will see the famous Ampang Yang Tang Fu.
I think we should go to the spot.
Prata place.
Yes. Let's go.
Forever hungry kid, you.
So this is the first Hans outlet that we had mentioned just now. as well as the Springleaf prata that you want to eat.
Okay, thank you Heng Tak for
Thank you.
taking us around
Thank you very much.
today.
Thank
We're
you.
gonna go get our food now.
Okay, enjoy your lunch.
See you again.
Bye.
Hey, come. Let's go.
Eh? I didn't know there's a bicycle parking facility so near to the station exit.
There's a bicycle parking facility at all entrances of this station. Hey,
Ah.
you want to make a guess?
Ah.
How many bicycles can these facilities accommodate? Make a guess. I did my research already.
This one, I think about 20 plus, right, for one. So maybe a rough guess will be 60 plus.
You sure? Last guess.
Higher or lower?
Higher.
80 plus?
80 plus. Wrong.
Then?
The real answer is they can accommodate up to 328 bicycles.
328. That's nearly 5 times my initial guess eh.
Your guess all salah one.
Hey, that's a lot eh. But this actually allows for quicker access for residents or people in this vicinity to access the station.
I think you can save up to 5 to 10 minutes if you cycle here.
It's really a great station.
Hey, you want to explore more places here?
Where are you bringing me?
If we don't explore, we don't know ma.
Okay lah, let's go.
Okay, do like this. Let's go. Can?
Oh, no wonder just now you make this sign.
Now you
You're going to cycle ah?
Yes.
I very long never cycle already eh.
Okay, you go first just in case.
I scared.
Can?
Ah!
Let's go.
Oh.
Okay, right now we're here. I think we just go straight there, then we turn left, then we go one round, okay?
One round ah.
Can or not?
Can.
Tired already ah?
No lah.
Let's go!
Wait for me. Wait for me. No energy already.
So shall we go there?
I explored enough already.
Come, let's go! Quick!
Ah,
Going there, okay?
peer
Go one round.
pressure.
Let's go!
Ay.
Okay, we're here. Woo!
Oh, we're finally here.
But it's such a nice place, right?
Yes, I agree.
But now you're panting.
I'm just very tired.
Hey, come to think of it, previously there's no MRT station. It's quite troublesome to reach here
Yeah.
because you need to take the bus or take the cab. But now it's so much simpler.
Actually, that's true
And Heng Tak also told me Springleaf Nature Park here is an area with high biodiversity.
What does that mean?
I'll tell you more.
Oh, birds
Yes.
No wonder I saw so many different types of birds here.
Yes, that's right. There's also a bird watching area because it's home to about, I think, around 80 species of resident and migratory birds due to its close proximity to Central Catchment Nature Reserve.
Yeah, okay. I think I will definitely come back here, right, with my camera to take pictures of some of them.
Very good idea. But your camera, the lens very good or not?
Yeah, I need telephoto lens.
Yeah, can I use handphone?
I will borrow from our cam. Can lah!
Okay. Take now.
He's shaking out.
Take now.
Okay, I take. Oh
Whew. Today has been so much fun, right?
Hey, I still got one more station to show you.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, you lead the way.
Let's go! Hey, Fauzie, keep up!
Okay, coming.
Hey, Fauzie, do you know that each TEL train carriage comes with 5 doors to facilitate passenger flow?
Wow, that's really convenient, especially during peak hours,
Yeah.
to reduce overcrowding at the doors. Yeah, that's quite smart.
Then you don't have to squeeze through the door.
Squeeze. Hey, come lah.
Don't need to squeeze, right? See? We are here! Wow! What is this giant art piece there?
Man.
Wow, I'm so inspired. 床前明月光，疑是地上霜。举头望明月，低头思故乡。
I know what you're doing. You're doing the MRT announcement. Demi keselamatan anda, harap berdiri di belakang garisan kuning, correct?
No! That was actually a poem by a very famous Chinese philosopher named Li Bai.
Oh.
Do you know that this art piece actually takes inspiration from the area around the MRT station?
I don't know.
So, namely Teachers Estate lah, where most of the roads there are named after famous poets and philosophers. So just now, the poet that I was reciting was actually by Li Bai, who also has a road named after him, named Li Po.
Oh, you're quite knowledgeable, huh?
I'm actually Miss Knowledgeable.
Oh, he's very good.
Okay, I need you to meet my friend.
You also Miss Popular?
Popular.
Oh, wow.
I wanna be popular.
Everything you, huh?
Let's go, let's go.
Okay.
春眠不觉晓，处处闻啼鸟。
Hey, Miss Knowledgeable.
Ah?
Is that your friend that we're meeting?
No leh, but she's wearing the same polo tee as Heng Tak leh. I don't know where's my friend. Maybe you can get her to help.
Come.
Hello.
Hi.
You're wearing the same polo tee as my friend at Springleaf. Do you also work on this station?
Yes.
Maybe get your name, please.
My name is Syafiqah. I'm one of the project engineers for this Lentor Station.
That's great to know. Then maybe you can share a little bit about the design of this station.
This station is heavily influenced by nature. 4 entrances are curved, inspired by the shape of leaves. These columns resemble tree trunks that branches out to support the roof.
I see it now. This is the tree trunks you're talking about, right?
Yep.
Hey, by the way, I'm supposed to meet my friend. He said he's at exit 5. Do you know where it is?
Hey, hello.
I'm sorry, I'm a bit overexcited.
Never open your eyes, huh?
Fine.
Don't mind my friend, she's always excited like this. By the way, Syafiqah, thank you so much for sharing about this station just now. And thank you for all your hard work. Maybe you can meet again soon, huh?
Sure. I shall
Okay.
take my leave now.
Okay. Bye, Syafiqah.
Bye.
Come.
Meet again soon,
Yeah lah, if I take the train here, how?
Okay, he's reaching.
What's your friend?
There he is. Hello.
Nice to see you.
Hi, Harry.
Hi.
This is my friend Fauzie. This is my friend Harry.
Hi,
Fauzie, this is
Fauzie.
Harry.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I hope you don't wait too long for me.
It's a short while.
Not so long.
We
Not
were
so
exploring the station anyway.
Very good. I'm so glad that this station is opening now.
Do you mind telling us more about this area?
Yes, this area was part of a Grand Prix circuit. We call it Upper Thomson circuit. And cars and motorcycles used to race around here from 1961 to 73. The circuit is about 4.865 kilometers.
And speaking of Grand Prix, right? Why don't we do a race then?
You okay now? How to race over here?
Can lah. Ta-da! You can also buy these TEL toy trains on Next Stop online store on Lazada, Shopee, Q10 for your friends and relatives too.
You can buy for your friends and relatives too after you lose.
Let's see who loses.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hey! Harry, please announce the winner.
The winner is Chiou on my left.
Harry, spoil already.
I think your train need to charge.
Oh, charge ah? Okay, sorry.
You are spoiled.
It's not charged.
So, Fauzie, how does it feel like to be standing next to a champion?
It feels like there's always unfairness in every competition. So let's not dwell too much on that, okay?
Okay. If you say so. Oh, Harry, huh?
Because you're not prepared for the occasion.
See,
Not
Harry.
prepared. You're not
No,
prepared.
Harry's on my side. Harry's trying to be positive thinking person, not like you. Okay, let's not talk so much about this, Harry. I just want to ask you, how do you feel having this station built so close to where you stay?
We are very excited over this station because this line is for us rated since 2013. It was just been approved in Parliament and then we started a chat group.
Wait, you started a chat group
Yes, 8
for the
years old.
development of this MRT
Correct.
station.
Yeah, with this development now, it's so convenient for our family. We can actually travel all over Singapore to the east and to the north. So what we do is we will use our bike and travel around with the MRT because I think we will help the environment such a bike.
I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to do your part to reduce carbon footprint by not driving your car, correct?
Precisely.
And I think that it is really very convenient because since you stay opposite the MRT station,
Yeah.
so it's quite pointless to have a car.
Sell your car already.
Almost.
Almost.
Almost. Okay, thank you, Harry, for sharing all this with us, and thank you for your time.
Thank you for coming, joining me and meeting me at this station.
Yes.
Cycle safe.
Cycle safe as well.
Cycle safe, yes.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you you, Fauzie, for joining us today. I've had a lot of fun with you, especially when I defeated him at the race.
Still on that again. Never mind, we'll challenge again another time.
Sure. Fauzie, what are your thoughts about today?
Today has been really fun, especially now that I know that there's an MRT station that is closest to one of my favourite prata spots in Singapore. Very important.
Food again.
Secondly, I discovered Springleaf Nature Park. It's in Singapore. I didn't know about it. Did you know?
Actually, me too.
Right. It's quite a nice place. Maybe can exercise there more.
Yeah, I think it's very cool that this MRT station has brought us closer to like places that we would never go to in the first place.
Precisely.
Yeah, because it made it more accessible, lah.
Yes.
And also to test you guys, right, to see whether you have watched our video fully, we're gonna ask you 2 questions, okay? So the first question that I have is, how many bicycles can Springleaf MRT station accommodate?
How many? How many? Second question. Share with us your favourite part of the 2 stations that we featured today.
Favourite part? 2 stations.
Which part?
So once again, thank you so much for joining me today. I've
Thank
had
you
a
for
lot of
having
fun.
me. Thank you.
And to our viewers, please stay tuned for the next episode of TEL2 Go, where we'll be going to explore other stations, okay, and explore the interesting places nearby, okay? So we'll see you. Bye-bye!
Bye!